Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a flashlight in Subnautica 2. Now, nighttime in this game is quite perilous, especially for the players that are quite scared of the sea and the dark. So you're going to need a flashlight to light your way forward. Now you're going to need to scan 2 fragments of the flashlight to get the full blueprint for it. And thankfully, both of those fragments are literally right next to your life pod. Over to the east from where your life pod is, try to look for this coral formation right here. Approach it, and on the center, there's a hole that you can enter, and inside this box right here is one of the fragments. Scan it with your scanner to register it. For the other fragment, literally right under your life pod is another hole. Go inside, and you can find it inside this half-submerged box. Now go back to your life pod and approach the fabricator. The flashlight is going to need 2 titanium, 1 quartz, and 1 basic battery to craft. And now you have your very own flashlight in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.